Recently on my sock knitting machine, I've become a real strong proponent of Ravel cord. Ravel cord allows me to remove the waste yarn much more easily, especially when I have a cast-on edge that is stable and won't come unraveled when I pull out the waste yarn. And so using something that they call Juana's Selvedge on the sock, I'm able to create a stable top part of my sock when I do my cast-on. So basically I use this green mesh down here as the standard cast-on bonnet instead of a cast-on bonnet. And then this red is just standard waste yarn. The standard waste yarn I used to use, I could pull out to a certain degree, but it would break oftentimes. And so I've since switched on my after my last round of waste yarn, I put in one round of Ravel cord. And the Ravel cord I use is a Red Heart product called Sizzle. It's 100% nylon, and you can kind of see maybe how it's just a 2-ply nylon cord that works really well to both slip out, but it's also incredibly strong. So since I've used the Juana's Selvedge Edge cast-on for this particular 1x1 ribbing at the top of my sock, all I have to do is, when I'm done, is find the end of my Ravel cord and just pull it out. And when I do, you'll see that the waste yarn pulls apart completely easily, and it maintains a really nice even selvage edge at the top without any kind of pulls or distortions to it. So I highly recommend Red Heart's Sizzle nylon cord. It's used for crochet, but in this particular case it's smooth enough to be able to pull out, and it's also strong enough not to break when I'm pulling it out all as one time.